Hey guys, we're back.
Hey guys!
We're back with another Pokemon break. We were able to pick up a case of the new Paradox Rift booster boxes. So this is going to be our first look at a Paradox Rift booster box. So let's open this one and see what we're blessed with. Man, it's been a while. Booster boxes. Alright, here we go. You know the drill. My dude's got his popcorn to hold the best one. Pikachu will hold the second best one. Dude's got his little hat on. So he's going to give us a happy delivery. Let's see how happy it is. Here we go. First booster box in forever of anything. And these are flimsy wrapping, if anyone cares. And I figured they would be in a booster box. Here we go. Got 3 hits in each ETB, so that's the average. Let's see what the average is for the booster box. Jigglypuff's energy is not in this. Double Blade, Kevin Durant. Medical energy. Oh, where's the good one? Oh my god! Oh my god! Did the first booster box! Oh my, the first pack! Oh my gosh! So blessed! Look at that! Look at that, man! Roaring Moon! We thought it was gonna be like the Umbreon Moon, take forever. Anything else? Who cares, man? Oh my god! So blessed! So incredibly blessed! The first freaking pack! Wow! Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. The first booster box, the first pack. Wow. And never, ever forget, guys, every card pulled on this channel came from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now. They're loaded with everything Pokemon, tons of Paradox Rift. And you can pull incredible stuff just like that. So blessed. Thank you, Yeshua. Thank you so much. Wow. Wow, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Wow. The first booster box, the first pack in the booster box. And there's the Roaring Moon. Wow. Oh, man. Like I said, I thought it was going to be an Umbreon Moon situation. Wow. I was like in shock just looking, just staring at it. Wow. Here we go. Major League Baseball. Venezuela. Blindside. Anything good? Anything? No. Alright, pack number 3. Still trying to catch our breath from pack number 1. So blessed. Wow. Look at that, just sitting there already. Wow. Uh-oh, fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, as you can tell. Here we go. Wow. Amigo. Looking good. Oh, cool. That's a cool looking card. Nice. Anything else? Oh, that's the last one. Wow. Nice. All right. 3 packs, 2 hits. One of them being the Roaring Moon. Kidding me? Wow. You're gonna have to hear me talk about it for what, 33 more packs? Wow, man. Nothing can replace it, right? I don't think so. Here we go. Evolution. Defiance vest. I need that. Looking good. we go. Toad's cool. Norman. Whoa, cool. Look at that. Nice. All right. Anything else? No. Orange Julius. Beautiful card. Stomp off. Jigglypuff's thing is Stompy Stomp. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright. 3 hits, man. Nice ones, too. Let's keep it going, man. Wow. What a first box. First side. I mean, look at that. Not even... Sheesh. Life card. Tinkertuff. Kevin Durant. Good. I'm gonna go 2 packs without a hit. Let's see. Mario Leaf. Toad Squirrel. Scream Tail. Devolution. Anything good? Anything? Oh, Mewtwo! Wow, look at that. Mewtwo. EX. Wow. He's got a little hat on, looks like. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Alright. This right side is spitting out the hits. Let's keep it going. Uh-oh. Jigglypuff's energy is not in this. Onyx, Fiddle. Counter catcher, catch something good. Oh, where's the good one? Alright. Well, that's the same question. We're going to go 2 packs without a hit. If I can get this open. Oh, where's the good one? Anything good? Anything? Oops. Oh, cool! And again, see? Alright. This guy, SIR, escapes us in Paldea. We need it. Wow. Alright. Alright. Right side still spitting out the hits, man. Let's keep it going. Uh-oh, fire. Is that hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, as you can tell. Crazy Nancy. Ancient booster energy capsule. Tinkertuff. Anything good? Anything? Do I dare ask again? Are we gonna go get 2 packs in a row without a hit? The streak gonna continue. Deluxe. Anything good? Anything? Oh, the streak ends. Alright, well, that was the first 2 packs in a row that we didn't get a hit. Gotta start a new streak. Major League Baseball. Splenda. Tinkatink. Oh. Haha. Alright. Getting through that side. You're just having to stop to put the hits there. You ain't gonna complain. There you go, Mario Leaf. Zubat. Defiance Vest, I need that. Turbo Energize, anything good? Anything? Oops. Nothing. Uh-oh. Pack fell over. Plus energy, not in this. Double Blade. Rico, where's the good one? Ha, where's the good one of that? Anything good? Anything? Nothing. What's this? Pack 15. Uh-oh. Fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, as you can tell. Here we go. Flamigo. Toad's cool. Dodonzo. Oh, Tulip. Where's the good one? Anything good? Anything? Whoa! Cool. Here we go. Start getting all the trainers. There's a lot of them. Nice. And you get the first one. Purple one, huh? And it looks like Velma. Scooby-Doo. Nice. Major League Baseball. Gibble. Blindside. Anything good? Anything? Alright, here we go. Pack 17. What was that, John? Here we go. Jeez. Anything in John's pack? Blitzel, Bounce Sweet, Feebass, Counter Catcher, catch something good. Anything good? Anything? Ah, Brute Bonnet. Alright, last pack. An incredible side, duh. Tons of hits, but wow, the Roaring Moon in the first pack. Go. Is this side gonna end? Vanillite. Venezuela. Garbodor. Anything good? Anything? Whoa! Alright, working our way up to the good Iron Hands. Alright, man. Dude, that was, wow. That was a lot of hits on that side. Not even to mention that Roaring Moon. Look at that. Working our way up to the good Iron Hands. Alright, here we go. First pack from the left side. You know the spiel. This would have been the first pack they would have put out. This is what the first pack some kid would have bought with his 500 ticket jackpot. 1,000 ticket jackpot. So here's what he would have got. Pikachu's energy. Catbite. Ancient Booster Energy Capsule. Take your vitamins. Here we go. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright. This is what he would have got if he would have bought 2 packs. Let's see if he should have kept his tickets. Wiggle it. Take your vitamins. Anything good? Oh, cool. All right, all right. Just keep stacking up the hits. Anything else? Nothing. All right. This was the second pack? Yeah. All right, cool. All right. Nice. Flail around. Alright, so it would have been worth it for him to buy some packs. Alright, let's keep it going. That was the first hit from the left side. Let's see what the left side has to offer. Jigglypuff's energy. Double blade. Seen that guy. Where's the good one? Whoa, where's the good one? Whoa, upside down. Look at that. Ah, crazy. Alright. Is this side going to let us go 2 packs without getting a hit? We'll find out. Major League Baseball. Cursed Duster. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright, so the left side let us go 2 packs without getting a hit. Is it going to let us go 3? Let's find out. Toad School. Toxel, here we go. Where's the good one? Haven't seen that guy. Anything good? Anything? Ha! Alright, so 3 packs, no hit. Maybe all the hits are on the other side. There's quite a bit of them. Zubat. Luxurious Cape. Ric Flair. Crazy Nancy, anything good? Oh, where's the good Groudon? Nothing. Alright, haven't had a hit in a while. I think we've only had one on this side. Nimble. Vanilla-ish. Onyx. Da, da, da. Oh, where's the good one? Anything good? Anything? Oh, cool. All right. EX we didn't have. We'll take it. So there you go. We got her EX and that other special EX. Nice. Alright, so 2 hits from this side. Let's get hit back to back hits. Can't get over that board. Still just looking at it. Wow, wow, wow. Jigglypuff's energy. Anything good? Anything? Alright, still got a ways to go. We got a lot of hits. Not to mention that one. Let's keep it going. That right side sure had a lot. plus energy. Tink-a-tink. Fiddle. Evolution. Kevin Durant. Onyx. Da-da-da. Anything good? Nothing. Gibble. Bounce sweep. Haven't seen that one. Anything good? Anything? Oh, cool. Alright, we'll take it. Another EX that we did not have. Wow. It's gonna be everything. First couple of days. But now we got her full art and her whatever. EX. Get back-to-back hits. I don't think we've had that. It's been like one off, one on, one off, one on. Uh-oh, fire. Is the hit gonna be fire? We're on fire for Yeshua, as you can tell. First pack blessings. Crazy Nancy. Cursed Duster. Looking good. Anything? Alright, we're getting there. Let's keep it going. Mario Leaf. Apom. Oh, wow, look at that. Snorlax doll. Haven't seen that. I knew this was in there, but I haven't seen it. Red, purple, Devolution. Looking good. Oh, cool. Gold counter catcher. All right. He's going to catch some good stuff. Anything else? Ha. Steelix. Nice. We actually didn't know what the golds were. We were wondering what was gold. So this is gold. All right, cool. So blessed. I'll let Pikachu, who likes to hold gold stuff. Alright, our first gold. Let's keep it going. Oh, where's the good one? Artillery. Good. Anything? Alright. 5 packs left. Of an incredible box. No matter what's left in here. Tons of hits and that. Don't forget. As if I'd let you guys. So let's see if there's anything else left in this. Major League Baseball. Double Blade. Tinkaton. Kevin Durant. Looking good. Oh, cool. Wow, look at that. That's crazy looking. Wow. Anything else? Nothing. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So blessed. Another hit. Wow. Alright. Let's see if we can go back to back. Pikachu's energy. Larry. Looking good. Anything? Nothing. Alright. Last 3 packs. Let's see if there's any last packs blessings with an S. As if we haven't already been super blessed. So let's see. Plus energy. Old school. Medical energy boy. Anything good? Anything? Nothing. Alright, last 2 packs. Nothing is gonna dethrone the Roaring Moon, I'll tell you that. Let's see if anything can dethrone that counter catcher. Splenda. Norman. Good. Anything? Nothing. Alright. Last pack of an incredible box. Now, let's see. There's one for the road. And if so, who's it gonna be? Uh-oh. Fire. Is that it gonna be fire? Well, we're on fire for Yeshua, as you can tell. Here we go. Last pack. Flamigo. Here we go. Anything good? Oh, anything? Oh, cool. All right, man. We'll take it, man. Look at these full arts, man. All right. Beautiful. So blessed. Alright guys, we're back with the recap. Well, first box blessings, first pack blessings, whatever you want to call it. So incredibly blessed. 13 total hits. Here's what we were blessed with. Bunch of EXs. And a really great EX. That's a great one right there. Some full arts. These shiny ones that are always cool. One trainer. Got some SIRs. Got a gold counter catcher. But guys, on the very first box, the very first pack of the very first box, the Roaring Moon. Just like that. So incredibly blessed. And never ever forget, ladies and gentlemen, every card pulled on this channel came from Hinkle Family Fun Center. Go there now. They're loaded with everything Pokemon. Tons of Paradox Rift. And you can pull incredible stuff like this right away. So blessed. So we got plenty more Paradox Rift breaks coming up, guys. So until the next one, God bless and thank you for watching.